Hello you there! How are you doing today? It is Emerson Marrotach here coming to you with another reaction video. This is a request, a special request from my friend from USA, Joey. Joey, thank you so much for always being a supporter to this channel. You are great. I don't have any words to thank you. You are a great person. Great person. You live in USA. I love USA. I have family living in USA. Maybe someday you can meet in the future. I don't know. I have family living in New York. So who knows, right? I really like you. You are a great person, Joey. I can see by your comments. So it is a request by Joey. He requested Angelina Jordan, I would rather go blind. So let's do this for Joey. Headphones on. Okay.
Something told me it was alright when I saw you in her jacket. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you in the girl walking around, I would rather go blind.
Wow, what a voice. Jesus Christ. Sometimes I forget how good she is. She's much better than good. She's much better than great.
Then to see you walk away from me, child. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't wanna be free. I was just sitting here now, baby. Have your kisses in your warm embrace.
I must say, this here, wow, is as good as the original, in my personal opinion. I don't know about you, it's only my personal opinion.
When the reflection in that glass that I had on my lips now, baby, revealed the tears that was on my face. And baby, I'd rather go blind. Oh, no, yeah. And baby, I'd rather go blind, boy. I would rather go blind, boy.
Wow. She's a hurricane. Oh my gosh. Jesus. I can tell you, this here is one of my favorite songs by Angelina. Wow. Her voice. And I don't know, I love the original, but I think in this one here, she's as good as the original. It's only my personal opinion. It's only my personal opinion. She's so great, so great. This is for you, Joey. Thank you so much for requesting that and give me the opportunity to watch this again. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by watching this. I really appreciate that, and I hope I'll see you next time.